What this? Seriously. This isn't looking good. This is like a tornado.
Shit.
I hope my car's not wrong. Anyone's car. Let's hit with that shit. This is like a tornado. We should shut the door. What? I don't like this stuff. This is stuff that's flying in the air. Let's go this way.
You're standing there holding the camera. I don't like this.
Well, I'm not
Why don't you go hide
crazy about it. They said strong thunderstorms. Here they are.
This might be a little more than a strong thunderstorm.
Yeah. Slightly. This is why I brought Cheech in. Things are flying around on the 10th floor. I don't know if you can see them. Maybe not. But stuff's flying past our window. Holy smokes. Glad I'm not in the elevator.
Look at these people's patio right there on the 9th floor.
Ooh. Yeah, their patio is demolished.
The patio furniture is about to fly over there because they got them pillow things.
Just sheets. What else is going? What else is going? They're like in the pool. Look, it's in the pool. Those are the chairs. The new ones. They might have want to get chairs with some weight to them. Good thing that duck family is gone. Ooh, things are flying. Ooh, I don't like that. Let me get in. Let's go check the news. Probably says hide. Yeah, we should check that. My feet are getting wet. Just so that guy's patio, his umbrella doesn't come flying down here. Can't even see the bridge. I'm glad I'm not driving home in this.